Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW 3 Series spark plugs. Start by removing the engine cover and locating the coil packs, then carefully unplug them. Use a deep socket and extension to remove old plugs, inspect gaps, and replace with the correct type and gap. Thread new plugs by hand first, torque to spec, reinstall coils and cover, then start the engine and check for smooth idle and no misfires. Work safely with the right tools and parts before you begin. Lay out your socket, extension, and torque wrench, plus new plugs and dielectric grease for the boots. Keep a clean workspace and use a vacuum to remove dirt around plug wells to avoid debris falling into the cylinders. Label any connectors if needed and keep parts organized so reassembly is quick and error-free. Remove only what you need to access the plugs, keeping parts organized as you go. Unplug each coil pack, mark its position, and remove the retaining bolts so you can pull it straight out. Use an appropriate socket and extension to break the plug loose, then remove it slowly. Fit new plugs by hand to avoid cross-threading, torque them to spec, reseat coils with dielectric grease, reconnect everything, and test the engine.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.